This is the meter of the Lynch residence. We are preparing to turn on the solar system. You can see the meter running forwards. If you do not understand the meter readings, when I turn this system on, it will take approximately 5 minutes for the microprocessor inverter that we have installed to take charge of the system. The inverter processor determines how much electricity is being used, how much it is producing, and it is a viable option to backfeed the system. So we will go to the computer as soon as I turn the system on, and we will look at the dials, and you can see on the computer and understand how to read a meter. So we will turn our system on. We have a disconnect for the power company so they can turn the solar system off. So we will turn the system on. Now we have about 5 minutes for the processor inverter to take over and start handling the system. Okay, so we'll go inside and look at the computer real quick.
It's no mystery, your electric meter can easily be read if you understand some basic rules. Each of the 5 dials represent 1 digit of the present reading. As you can see, the dials move both clockwise and counterclockwise. When the hand of one of the dials is between numbers, always take the smaller number. For example, if you cannot tell if a hand is past a number or not, simply look at the dial to the right. If it is past 0, then the hand is pointing to the correct number. If the dial to the right has not passed 0, then use the next smaller number. Totally confused? Let's try an example. The third digit is a 3 because the digit to the right has not yet passed 0. If the second dial from the right was between the 0 and the 1, then the third digit would have been a 4. Easy, isn't it? To practice, go outside to your home or business and record the readings for several days in a row. By subtracting yesterday's reading from today's reading, you can now get a feel for how much energy, kilowatt hours, you use each day.
Now we understand how to read the meter. We're back at our meter, getting ready for the inverter to take over. This will be another couple of minutes yet. What you will see is the meter will begin to slow, then get very slow, then it should go backwards as soon as the processor inverter takes over. This is the Lynch residence, a project of Solar Universe. To learn more about Solar Universe, go onto your computer and type in solaruniverse.com. Processor, aha, processor seems to be working. Processor is beginning to notice the system. It is beginning to put energy into the system. You see, aha. There we go. Isn't that a beautiful thing? It's beginning to run backwards at a pretty good pace now. So not only is our system providing electricity to cover the electricity that it was using before, this running backwards is providing extra electricity. So how this bill works, is the more it spins backwards, the more energy I'm putting back into the system. Then at night it will spin forwards. The difference of between the backward spin and the forward spin would be my bill. So we will keep an eye on the meters from day to day, like they suggested, and record them and see from day to day if we're producing extra energy or not. If we are producing extra energy, if we're producing more than we may use, then AB 920 allots the electric company to pay me. So if my system is generating more electricity than I'm using, they will send me a check. So once again, go into your computer and type in AB 920, A Apple, B Boy 920, and read all about it. So right now, we are producing more electricity than we're using. The meter's spinning backwards. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing.